First, power on your Xbox. Then, plug one end of the 3.5mm audio cable into the headset port on your A20 headset. Plug the other end of the 3.5mm cable into the 3.5mm port located on the bottom of your Xbox controller. Once connected, navigate to your Xbox settings. Go to Audio and make sure that the headset volume is at a comfortable level. You may need to adjust the headset chat mixer to balance game audio and chat audio. The A20 headset is now ready to use for game audio and voice chat on your Xbox. Ensure your A20 Gen 3 transmitter is set to Xbox mode. Connect the transmitter to your Xbox using the provided USB cable. The light on the transmitter should turn white, indicating it is connected to the Xbox. Power on your A20 headset. It should automatically pair with the transmitter. If it doesn't pair automatically, press the pairing button on the transmitter, then hold the power button on the headset for a few seconds until they connect. For voice chat, go into the Xbox settings and make sure that the headset microphone is selected and turned on. You can also connect your A20 Gen 3 headset with a 3.5mm cable. Follow the same wired connection steps as for Gen 1-2 models, though the wireless connection will be disengaged if the wired connection is active.